So now in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to mix barbicide, okay? Now this is a quat, okay? Quaternary Ammonium Compound, okay? So in this jar right here, we have about 32 ounces of water, okay? The large jars normally have 32 ounces of water. Now I'm gonna grab about 2 ounces of barbicide, and I'm gonna just go ahead and pour it in to the water. And there you have it. This is how you mix your barbicide, which is a quat, with water, okay? So if you planning to prepare for your Florida Barber's State Board exam, this right here should help you, okay? Don't forget that Quaternary Ammonium Compound is what we use to clean non-porous surfaces. Also, the items that you put in this solution should sit for about 10 minutes, okay?